This thing had been working on a bunch over the years. With all these little pieces, you might as well have done the whole thing. When you're replacing your mobile home floor, don't do this. He replaced a section of his floor, and look what it says. This side down. So obviously, this is wrong. We're going to end up replacing this entire mobile home floor here, and we can already tell we've got sagging walls, and it's very obvious it's a 1982 mobile home or something like that, and he's had a lot of rot in here, and he's been replacing, as you can see, sections of floor in this place since the beginning. Section here, did a little piece there, and then another piece ended up there. Did a piece over there, piece there, did some under the sink, piece over here behind the stove. So yeah, to me, that's what happens when you replace flooring a little piece at a time. You just keep replacing flooring a piece at a time. So in order to eliminate a piece at a time, if you just go in there and just tore out the whole thing and made a project out of it, you can do it. Though if it's made of wood, you can fix it. But it'd be better if you didn't do a board there, board there, board there, and kind of go out through the house putting boards. They had the blocking in the wrong places. It's been really a nightmare from the beginning to the end on this place, but we finally decided to go ahead and get the whole thing done. So we've been working on that, and pretty much got it good all the way until here. So this is where we started this morning. Well, you can definitely see the sag in his walls, and the windows been leaking for years. It's rotting, floor joists, so they'll have to be sistered and replaced, and new framing put in there. But that's all right though. Like I said, made of wood, you can fix it. That's the project for the day, and I'll just take a picture or a short video every once in a while and show you the progress. One of the problems that I'm dealing with on this floor that's been replaced, pieces here and there, is that their screws are stripped out, and I just can't get them screws to back out. So it's making it a lot harder to get those pieces that he did. Look at that. It's making it a lot harder for me to get it apart. I'm having to cut stuff just to get it out, but he has no underbelly really over here whatsoever, where his old heating unit came into the house. So, I mean, even after what we get done doing what we're gonna do, he's still gonna have some issues that he needs to get taken care of under the house. But at least we'll have the top part solid, so we'll keep going. The reason why you can't get anybody to work on your mobile home floor is because of this. It's going to be hard to find somebody willing. No, I killed him. He's gone.
There you go. His
Pigs. Oh yeah. You're gonna find it hard to find somebody willing to work on something like this. Look at that mammoth spider I killed. He's all in pieces now. But I'm sure his mama's there or something. He was a big boy. Spider webs everywhere. Like I say, it's going to be hard to find somebody to work on your mobile home floor because of this stuff right here. And you're probably going to end up having to do it yourself. So if that's the case, this is what you're going to have to deal with under your house. Spiders. Oh my goodness. That's why people don't want to go in here. This is it. You see it. The underbelly's on the ground. We're going to do the best we can to fix it. This is probably what it looks like under your mobile home. This is the kind of stuff you run into. Oh, dead rat bones. So that's why I do everything that I can from the top. When it comes to underneath, there's nothing I can do about it. one of the most important parts is closing the gap. If you do not put double blocking on this outside wall screwed right into your existing outside band, so you've got a single, you're going to want to put a double in order to bring it out, because that's when, if we put one, we don't have anything to screw our new underlayment to, or floor to. If you have two, that gives you 1.5 inches, and that also, if I was to put a piece of plywood down there right now, it would be open to the underneath of the house. That closes everything off. That bay's not getting insulated today. We got an underbelly. Looking really nice and sweet. We button capped all that up so we don't have to depend on the spray. So button caps work great. Now we're stuffing it with our insulation all the way down. We took Rhino roofing felt, synthetic, turned it into underbelly that was basically gone, as you've seen, especially on these outside edges. I like the way Paul folded his up. I can't show you mine. Doesn't look as good as his.
You showed me how to do it.
I showed him how to do it, and his still looks better. That's good to have a good man with you working. Do a better job than you do. All right, I'll show mine.